Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus RX 350 air filter. First, gather your new air filter and any basic tools you might need, though often none are required. Make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. Locate the air filter housing, which is usually a black plastic box near the front of the engine compartment on the driver's side. Now that you've located the housing, you'll need to unclip the metal fasteners that hold the top cover in place. There are typically 2 clips. Once unclipped, gently slide the top of the airbox towards the driver's side and lift it up. This will expose the old air filter. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated, noting its orientation for correct installation of the new one. With the old filter removed, it's a good idea to quickly clean out any debris inside the airbox. Now, carefully insert your new air filter, making sure it matches the orientation of the one you just removed. Ensure the filter is fully flush and seated correctly in all 4 corners of the housing. Then, align the top cover of the airbox and re-engage the clips to secure it firmly in place. Double-check that all clips are securely fastened on the air filter housing. This ensures a proper seal and prevents unfiltered air from entering your engine. Once everything is closed up, you can start your Lexus RX 350 to confirm that everything is operating smoothly. Replacing your engine air filter every 10,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year is recommended for optimal performance. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.